In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload my Replit project to my website. We'll start on the Replit homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your workspace from the home view. Look for the section that shows what you've been working on recently. This is where your most recent apps are listed, and it's the quickest way to get back into the project you want to publish. Click into your recent apps and open the specific project you want to move to your website. Give it a moment to load the editor. This is a good time to confirm everything looks right. Your files are present, your project builds or runs as expected, and any assets like images or style sheets are included. Catching small issues here will save you time later. On the right-hand side of the Replit interface, you'll see a menu with additional options for your project. Depending on your screen size, it might be near the top right of the editor or next to the preview area. Look for the three dots, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. This menu contains project-level actions you won't find in the file tree. Click the three dots to open the menu, and then choose Download. Replit will bundle your project into a downloadable archive, usually a zip file. Your browser will begin saving it to your default download location. If your project is large, give it time to finish. Keep the tab open until the download completes. When it's done, you'll have a copy of your project's files on your computer. It's helpful to remember where the file was saved so you can find it easily in the next step. Now go to the website where you want to upload your app. This might be your hosting provider's dashboard, your content management system, or a control panel provided by your domain host. Navigate to the area where you normally manage site files or deploy updates. You're getting into position to place the downloaded project into your site's file structure. If your host supports a file manager or an upload tool, that's typically where you'll work. If your host expects a specific folder, such as a public or web root directory, be sure you know that location ahead of time. Also, keep in mind that static projects are usually ready to serve as is, while server-side projects may require additional setup on your host. Either way, with your zip file handy and your site's management area open, you're prepared for the final deployment steps your host provides. That's it. Your Replit project is now packaged and ready on your computer, and you're at your website's dashboard to complete the upload.